Hindi ako nakita. You have a friend named Chiska?
Yeah. He's a grade 2.
Really? Pero meron ka ng crush.
Thank you sa paghatid.
Sabi mo? Kagabi. Magi-girlfriend ka na. Don't smile at me, Macaulay. I know you're smiling. I can see you at the back. You're still young, boy. Bakit gusto mo mag-girlfriend? Ha? Be? Why?
Iyak si mama.
Oh,
Wala
mama
akong
will
baby.
cry. Wala na siyang baby. Tapos magi-girlfriend ka na.
Kaya nga.
Still a baby.
No, sabi mo hindi ka na baby. Sit down properly.
Doon tayo sa dulo, my dear.
Saan
Maaga
ka
pa.
ano?
Sa dulo.
Ah, dulo.
Sa
Maaga pa.
dulo. Ma.
Dahil ako
So ito mga
7:50.
naglalakad dito. Malapit lang mo sa bahay nito.
Ma.
Oh, malapit lang yan.
Ma.
Oh, baby.
Sa dulo.
Yeah, sa dulo.
What is a dulo mean?
The left.
At the very end,
Sa pupo. Sa mama mo.
Sa mama mo.
ingat my dear pagdadrive ha.
Okay.
Tapos sa pagdadrive.
Ma.
Be, pag nagdadrive si Papa, no annoying ha.
Do not annoy me, okay?
Huwag kang pasaway dyan sa likod ha. No talking, nagdadrive si Papa, okay? Thank you sa paghatid. I love you, baby.
Yes.
Andiyan, sa uy. Ano?
Sablet.
Yeah, sablet.
Means wait.
Yeah. I love you. Thank you sa paghatid.
They're so gross.
Yeah, so gross. Thank you, my dear.
Yeah, okay.
Ingat ka ha.
Okay, I love you.
Yeah, love you. Ingat sa pagdadrive. See you later.
Yeah. Magdadrive na siya soon. So mag-aaral si mama. Mag-aaral na siya ng driving. Kasi yung panganay nagrereklamo na. Minsan ayaw lumabas ng bahay dahil gusto magpahinga. Yung mama niya gusto may puntahan. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, mag-aaral ka ng driving, balik ka ulit sa, meron na kasi siyang lisensya. Sabi ko nga before, may lisensya na siya. Nakapag-drive na yan before. Naitigil lang nung mga anak nitong bunso. So sabi ko sa kanya, kung aral ang driving, kukuha kita ng sasakyan. Oh,
We're gonna go straight to my school.
yes. Okay? Kukuha kita ng sasakyan, yung kotse, para may magamit siya. Tapos ito sa aking anak na dalaga. Ako sa truck. Wala akong sasakyan.
I knew you were gonna say that.
How did you know?
Because we don't have a car.
I don't have a car, yeah?
No, we have a truck.
I have a truck. Kasi madalang naman ako umuwi. Sa isang buwan, Siguro mga 7 days lang yung stay ko sa isang buwan sa bahay. 7 days. So sa 23 days, mostly nasa highway talaga ako. So hindi ko kailangan ng sasakyan. Pag nagtatrabaho sila, example darating ako, tatrabaho sila, wala akong kotse.
Wow.
Oh,
How much did your truck cost?
I'm not sure. It's not my truck. It's Keelan's truck.
How about this car?
I'm not sure.
Do you know?
And then yung aking lalaki, yung aking pangalawa, magdadrive na rin yun sa next year.
But I
Mag-aaral na
can't
siya.
drive yet.
Mag-aaral na rin siya ng driving dahil 15 years old, tuturuan na sila ng driving sa school. So for sure, hingi na naman siya ng sasakyan.
So Uwa can drop me off.
Yeah, I can drop you off, right?
But Uwa said he doesn't want.
No, joke niya lang yun.
No.
Yes,
He actually said no.
joke niya lang yun.
No.
Owa will take care of you.
Oh, he always scares me.
No, he's just kidding.
Because when I'm all alone from yesterday, when I was like, in Uwa's room because I was low, but he kept on making creepy faces.
Mhm. Tapos yung aking dalaga, patapos na rin yun sa university. Then magtatrabaho na yun. So kailangan talaga ng kanyang mama mag-drive. Kailangan niya ng sasakyan, kailangan niya mag-drive dahil may trabaho siya. Then ito, dadali ng aking dalaga. Para na lang sa kanila, para sa kanila. Di bali na ako dahil nakakatamad na mag-drive dahil, oh my God, drive, di ko kailangan ng gagala dito sa loob ng Winnipeg. Pag every time na darating ng Winnipeg, then stay at home. Lalo pag ganitong winter, wala ka naman pupuntahan pag winter time. So stay at home. Sila may mga trabaho. Every day need nila yung sasakyan. Sila na lang, no? Manonood na lang ako ng aking YouTube video. Anyway, hatid ko lang tong aking bunso. Then tomorrow
I have a haircut.
is a haircut day for this little boy at the back.
Because, do you know, when people go
Kasi
to
nagpapagwapo na siya, guys. Gusto na niya may gel. Right?
sleep, yo,
Kasi meron na siyang
girlfriend.
girlfriend? Are you sure? Oh my God, Callie. Are you kidding me, right? You're kidding me, right? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Gusto niyang pagwapo siya ng pagwapo. May gel. Tapos...
Because people, when I go to the bathroom, so there's another boy, everybody thinks I'm a girl.
Oh, that's the reason why?
Yeah.
Kasi daw, pag every time
I'm letting a boy.
na pupunta siya sa washroom, napagkakamalan siyang babae. Kasi mahaba yung buhok niya.
Because people think I'm a girl.
Oh. No, the student think you like a girl?
Yeah.
Students?
Yeah.
Oh no. Kaya papagupit na siya. Meron ka ng kopya ng haircut mo, right?
Yeah.
Can I have the copy? Can I choose the haircut?
No.
Why not? It's your first haircut,
I
man.
already choose.
No, I'm gonna choose your haircut.
Like Uwa.
Huh?
Like Uwa.
Yeah.
Why did you choose for him?
Because you're my boy.
No, I said, why did you choose for him?
I know it's good for him.
But I want my own haircut.
You want your own haircut?
Yeah.
Come on.
I like good haircuts. I don't like those bald.
Alright then. Okay.
I will go to Dollarama after.
Yeah. Dito sa school, no?
Yeah. We have gym today.
You have?
Yeah, we have gym class.
that's good.
I think we have music tomorrow.
It's na ako. Kasi diyan pagpasok mo. Be good,
What?
okay?
No, but I have to go at the
Yeah.
other side.
Pasok na pala agad sila. So ako naman ngayon ay pupunta ng laundry para mag-laundry ng aking mga kumot at mga maruruming damit. Then diretso ako ng truck para ikarga yung aking mga laundry. Anyway. Ay, la la la. It's so cold. Magandang mag-laundry ngayon. It's weekdays. Walang tao siguro masyado dahil madalas puno yung laundry na yan pag weekend. Hindi tayo makakalusot dyan, Choy. Merong isang nag-laundry. Isang tao. Okay. Phew. Walang naghuhugas ngayon. Himala na talaga kung may maghugas pa. Grabe na talaga yan. Dami kong tubal, guys. Then yung iba nito, sinusundo na ako ng chopper ko. Ito mga kumot. Then sweater. Then itong aking jacket na sinusuot ngayon. Babalikan ko tong aking mga kumot. Walang tao, diba? Itong laki nito. Ito dahil kukunti lang to siya. Ito lang.
Canadian Tire reported a fourth quarter profit of $227 million in the fourth quarter, up 20% from a year earlier. The company said it saw improved consumer sentiment and spending in the quarter. The price of Canadian Tire stock is up 27% since April of 2024. And shares of Molson Coors, the beer brewing giant, moved higher in pre-market trading this morning. The company reported a fourth quarter profit of $341 million US, more than analysts had expected. Shares of Molson Coors, however, have fallen by 20% since late March of last year. From the BNN Bloomberg Newsroom in Toronto, I'm Paul Magnum.
If you want to prepare a meal at home to save money this Valentine's Day, you can make a special, affordable dinner to show your sweetie some love. Joining us now with advice and a recipe on a delicious and affordable homemade Valentine's Day meal is Brad
$8.
So here today we're gonna
Then this one is $9.
right paint color. There's no food coloring involved here.
9.
Exactly. So these are actually
So I need $16, $17.
but not that too earthy, you know? Like they're very well balanced.
Ba, may naghuhugas pa rin talaga eh. You. Brother, 20. Ayaw ano eh, niluluwa niya dahil may tingkot. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Thank you.
Salty flavor to that.
Nice crumbly feta. Make sure it's
Morning.
before you add it
Okay.
to the food processor.
Hey?
Nice and
And
cold,
then you're
eh?
gonna add
Yeah.
some nice lemon juice
We wait away for
for some brightness, and it'll give some liquid.
Better to stay at home.
That's amazing. And then
There's nowhere to go when it's too cold.
Yeah,
Some onion powder and garlic powder.
Except malls, roaming around the malls.
You just cool that.
Rather to stay home, eh?
And you've got a beautiful bright pink sauce. Okay, so from here what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a large pan on the stove, and then you're gonna bring the sauce to the pan.
You too, sir. Keep safe.
If you want to make sure to keep some extra water when you're cooking your pasta, and then you're just gonna add it to the sauce, okay? And then this way
Where is
you
it?
can control the thickness,
Detergent, fabric softener, free soap.
the amount of beads or whatever. You can really control. And then you're gonna simmer this for about
Okay.
2 to 3 minutes. Let all that cheese melt away.
Daming ano, oh.
Flavors come
Cloud9.
so always save a little bit of pasta.
always.
Para mabango ba?
And seasoned with salt and starch in there. You're gonna really bring
And this one,
And then you have your
detergent.
like any medium pasta you can use. This is just a bow tie pasta. You can use penne, fusilli,
Okay.
and then you just in the sauce. And it's so beautiful, nice and pink.
Let's do it.
And it's nice, a little bit of, could you add a protein to this if you wanted?
So you can keep this vegetarian. It's nice and nutritious. You can go to your local butcher shop, get a nice
$9.
chicken. It's very versatile.
And that's beautiful.
Mahal no, $9.
You played it and you're a sweetheart. You are really meaning it when you say love.
And there you go. It's nice and pink. It's nice for an extra veggie
Warm
dinner. Or you know what? The kids
start.
will love these two. It's so fun to eat and super fun for
Okay, this one is $8.
so bright and refreshing. And I like to add some toasted pecans for lots of veggie.
That's it. Program 3.
Days worth of love expressed through meal. Thank you. I appreciate this.
Price 27 minutes.
Valentine's Day meal. I love that.
Okay, yun na, nag-start na. I can do some... Okay, nandun pa rin yung aking katabing Atlas truck. Oh, tinabihan ako. Wow. Tinabihan ako dito ah. You wanna leave? Alright. Okay. Because I'm gonna park beside my truck.
Huh?
I'm gonna park beside my truck. You're gonna leave now?
Okay, I'm leaving now.
Thank you. Okay, make sure na walang bangga. This side here. Chelsea. Oh.
Video protected.
Bumalik ako dahil nakita ko si Filipino Tracker Pro, yung lumiko kanina. Siya pala yun. So babalikan ko kasi matagal ko na tong hindi siya nakita. Nakita ko sa first time nung hindi pa siya nagbablog somewhere in Dryden. Nasa Red Army pa ako that time. Nakapila kaya yon or titigil na yon? Pulis pala to sa tabi ko eh. Ush. Holy smoke. Siguro nag-fill up siya. Nakatigil yun. Oh, nakatigil yun. Nakatigil siya. Hanapin natin. Wala siya dito yun. Nakatigil yun. Nakatigil. Saan ba siya? May Prince Transport din dito. Ayun o, nandun sa kabila. Nandun siya sa kabila. Ayun o, yung kahoy. So, hindi ako makasingit at this side. Dito tayo. Ito yun eh, truck niya. Nandun siya sa kabila, nagsisecure. Yun o, yun o. Tumatalon-talon. Hindi niya ako nakita. Hindi niya ako nakita eh. Sumilip na siya eh. Ha?
Kumusta?
Ayos lang. Long time no see.
Oo. Second time.
Second time no?
Oo.
Hindi pa nakita doon si Lalim. Ginagapang-gapang kita eh.
Eh.
Gumanyan ka na oh. Wala, sabi ko, wala
Si
to.
madulas eh, nag-iikot
Ha?
ako.
Nakita kita kayo na doon, lumiko.
Oo.
Sabi ko, GC yun ah. Kaya bumalik ako. Kumusta?
Ayos lang, ayos lang. First
It's been a while.
Oo.
Saan ka galing?
Galing Alberta ito eh, papuntang Thunder Bay.
Good lumber no?
Oo, treated.
Ba't walang tarp?
Treated naman siya eh, kaya...
Treated.
Oo, yung parang...
So okay lang pag madumihan?
Oo.
Oh,
Parang tinapa ba, na pinausukan yan eh. Kaya
Oh, okay.
waterproof yan na kahoy eh.
okay. Yung mga hindi treated, yun ang tinatarp.
Oo. Depende sa ano.
Wala.
Wala ko na sa ice road kayo ngayon.
Wala. Wala kaming ice road.
Wala ngayon?
Hindi niya alam kay ginagapang sinusundan ko na siya. Kanina ko pa siya sinusundan. Gumanyan na siya oh. Sabi ko, hindi niya ako nakita. Grabe. May pagkahunyango pala ako.
Nakafocus kasi ako sa pag-secure
Yeah,
na...
hindi mo nakita si Lalim.
Hindi.
Nandun ako si Lalim. Tumingin ka sa akin eh. Sabi ko, may anting-anting pa pala ako. Hindi pa ako nakikita.
Wala kang biyahe ngayon.
Nandiyan yung truck ko eh.
Oo.
Pa Amerika, but problema, Martis pa delivery, so ayaw nila maghintay kami doon. So ano na ako, Sabado na ako tatakbo. 2 araw lang na biyahe yun eh.
Oo.
Wisconsin.
Ako nga eh, yung biyahe ko, dapat hindi ko i-deliver yan eh.
Oh,
Niisip ko naman, maaga naman, kare-reset ko lang, magre-reset na naman ako.
yun nga.
Kaya habulin ko na lang ng Friday ito.
Reset na naman ako ngayon. Mag-reset na naman ako ngayon. Wala,
Yun.
last kita nakita, first kita nakita sa dry din eh. Di ba?
Oo.
Hindi ka pa vlogger noon.
Hindi pa tayo sikat.
Siya lang ang sikat
Parang,
yan.
parang ang followers, subscriber mo nun, nasa 2K pa lang yata. No?
Yeah, I
Bago
think.
pa tayo.
Yeah, bago pa lang. Hindi pa siya vlogger before. Na-meet ko siya sa Dryden, nasa tanker pa ako.
Oo.
Ngayon, na-meet ko ng sikat ng Regina eh.
Sikat.
Ng Saskatchewan eh.
Oo, si Christian pa lang nagbablog nun.
Oh, si Christian pa lang.
Oo.
Tapos ikaw, paunti-unti pa lang eh.
Binila nila ako ng GoPro, kaya
Ki-
napasubo ako eh.
Kita ko nga, dami mo nga doon eh. GoPro doon sa taas eh.
Oo nga, yung isa kasi, anong problema yan? Yung nag-o-off siya, tapos boses na lang naririnig.
Really?
Oo.
Anong GoPro?
GoPro 8. Pag tumagal siya sa video, parang sounds na lang, boses na lang naririnig.
Ganon? I don't know. Check natin. So, asan ang punta mo, Jess?
Thunder Bay.
Thunder Bay lang?
Oo.
Okay.
Alak.
Yan ang ano. Dito lang ako. May X4 ka?
Oo.
That's X4?
Oh, yan minsan, kaya magulo. Yan ang gamit ko.
Okay, tapos ito.
Tapos ito yung natatanggal to, kaya...
Tapos paano mo siya? Minamagnet mo.
Ito yung magnet ko.
So nilalagay mo lang dito.
Oo.
That's nice. Mas maganda yan.
Oo, kasi pag ito, Minsan nasisita ako eh. Buti nga ikaw
Saan?
hindi ka nasisita eh.
Saan yan? Akin na
So-
yung 8 mo. Nagkita rin kami ni Pinoy, Filipino Trucker Pro ng Saskatchewan. Nagamit pa rin guys yung aking pagka-ranger. Hindi ako nakikita ni Jess. May pagka, ano pa talaga, may pagkahunyango pa ako. Sinusundan ko na siya. But anyway, yeah, it takes years bago kami ulit nakita. Sabi ko nga, na-meet ko siya before sa Dryden, sa Petro Pass sa Dryden. Hindi pa siya vlogger that time. Hindi pa siya gumagawa ng content. Now, sikat na si Jess dito sa ano, sa buong Canada. Anyway, yeah. Kita ko lang siya kanina lumiko eh, kaya sabi ko babalikan ko to. Second time na magkita kami. But anyway, uwi na ako ng bahay dahil 12 o'clock na, and then gutom na rin ako.